Hello, this is Richard Wilson, coming to you from Billionaire Advisors, LLC, and the privateequity.com investor portal. I want to do a quick video on life settlements. This is a strategy that I like because it acts differently in my clients' portfolios and other things. It does not track to the real estate market, does not track typically to the stock market or interest rates, or whoever the current president is fighting a trade war or some political front with somebody else or an election coming up. It is a life insurance fund. It's a life insurance industry investment vehicle where you're getting exposure typically to hundreds, if not 1,000 plus policies. And really what impacts returns is if people suddenly start living a lot shorter lives or a lot longer lives. And that typically hasn't historically happened. You know, if you're watching this video soon after I recorded it, it's when the coronavirus is really spreading and cities are going on lockdown. I mean, God forbid the death toll actually goes very high. You know, no one wishes for that. But, you know, this type of investment would actually, it's probably going to stay the same, but it might go up by 0.5% or 1% because the people who have the life insurance policies that are invested in through such a strategy are the ones typically that are, you know, in the last 5 to 7 years of their life or the last few years of their life, et cetera. And that's why they need liquidity on their life insurance policy to enjoy life, get the right treatment, and get access to that capital. So I don't want to record a long video here explaining the whole strategy. I just want to plant the seed that the life settlement investment space is, I think, always a pretty good place to be and part of your portfolio, at least a couple of percentage points or up to maybe 5 to 7%, depending on the type of investor, or maybe it's not appropriate based on who you are, but it's a pretty interesting space to look at and dig into more. If you want to learn more as an investor, you can do so by registering as a client. It doesn't cost anything to onboard. It takes about 5 minutes. Just go to privateequity.com, fill out the short form and agreement there, and we'll look at your onboarding survey and get on the phone with you shortly, and we can give you access to the life settlement investment that we work with most often. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you at a live event soon. Take care.